Importing aerospace materials into the USA. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the process of importing aerospace materials and composites for aircraft manufacturing into the USA. As you may know, this is a complex process that requires careful adherence to customs regulations and procedures. So, let's dive right in. When it comes to importing aerospace materials and composites, one of the key aspects to consider is customs brokerage. A customs broker plays a crucial role in facilitating the smooth movement of goods across international borders. They handle the documentation, classification, and submission of required permits and forms to the customs authorities. Hiring a reputable customs broker is essential to ensure compliance with customs regulations and avoid delays or penalties. Another important aspect of importing aerospace materials and composites is the need for a customs bond. A customs bond functions as a guarantee that the importer will comply with all customs regulations and fulfill their financial obligations. It provides reassurance to the customs authorities that any duties, taxes, and penalties will be paid promptly. Without a customs bond, the goods may not be released by the customs authorities. Working with a customs broker can help you navigate the process of obtaining a customs bond. Importer security filing, or ISF, is another critical requirement to be aware of when importing aerospace materials and composites. The ISF, also known as the 10+2 rule, mandates that importers must provide certain information to U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) before the goods are loaded onto the vessel headed for the USA. This information includes details about the importer, seller, buyer, and the contents of the shipment. Compliance with ISF requirements is essential to avoid penalties or delays in customs clearance. International trade plays a significant role in the aerospace industry, with materials and composites often being sourced from different countries. Understanding the intricacies of international trade, including tariffs, trade agreements, and preferential trade programs, is essential to navigate the import process successfully. Working with a knowledgeable customs broker who has expertise in international trade can streamline the importation of aerospace materials and composites. It's worth mentioning that importing aerospace materials and composites for aircraft manufacturing requires adherence to strict safety and quality standards. The customs authorities may conduct inspections to ensure that the imported goods comply with these standards. Collaborating with a customs broker who understands the specific requirements and can facilitate the necessary inspections can help ensure a smooth import process. Lastly, it's important to note that the information shared in this video is meant to provide a general overview of importing aerospace materials and composites for aircraft manufacturing into the USA. Each importation is unique, and specific requirements may vary depending on factors such as the type of materials, country of origin, and the intended use. Consult with a customs broker who can provide personalized guidance for your specific importation needs. Thank you for watching today's video on importing aerospace materials and composites for aircraft manufacturing into the USA. We hope you found this information helpful and insightful. Disclaimer note below. See you next time.